Hey everyone, it's Chris at Ivan. Today I'm going to demonstrate how adding Lexan lamination will help protect your printed product. One of the benefits is its high abrasion resistance. We have one decal without the Lexan and the other decal with the Lexan lamination on the top. I'll show you what happens. As you can see, the decal without the lamination gets terribly scratched. The one without is protected from removing any ink. When would you want to use Lexan laminate? Printed products that come in contact with tools or have a high abrasion needs like tags or decals around machines or on equipment, or even on a printed sample like this. So dusty, wipes off cleanly, no scratches. So next time you have a project that needs a little extra protection, give us a call and we'll handle the rest.